We've cut out our pattern pieces and we have fused the front neck facing and back neck facing pieces. Start by sewing your two front pieces together at the centre front seam. Stitch from the hemline toward the neckline. Finish stitching at the point marked on the pattern piece. We have marked this point with a pin. Sew together the front neck facing pieces. Start stitching at the bottom of the facing. Finish stitching 6mm down from the top edge. This point is marked on your pattern piece by the stitch line. We have used a pin to mark it. Sew your front and back neck facing pieces together. Press the seams open. Sew your front and back main body pieces together at the shoulder seam. Press seams open. Pin the facing to the body, matching shoulder seams and centre front seam. To attach the facing to the main body, precision is key. Match the centre front seam of the facing and main body. We've used a pin to keep this in place. Stitch from one side of the centre front seam around the neckline and stop stitching on the opposite side of the centre front seam. Clip a curve of your neckline. Sew a flat stitch on the side of the facing. Catch the seam allowance in the stitch. This helps to stop the facing rolling out to be seen on the right side of your garment. Turn your facing to be on the inside of your garment and press. You may wish to sew a small hand stitch to the shoulder seam to keep your facing in place. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please follow us on Facebook or Instagram for regular updates of new styles and tutorials.